So we've proven the product rule, and now I want to go through the proof of the power rule. So I'm going to start by letting x equal log base b of a. And then I'm going to transform it into its equivalent exponential form. So this will be b raised to the x is equal to a. And then I need to get that power in there. So I need to raise both sides to the p. So this is going to be b to the x, and I'm raising that to p is equal to a to the p. Okay, so looking at this part right here, power to power means we multiply the exponents. So the other way to write this would be b raised to p times x, or px. So then after that, I want to transform back. So transforming back into logarithmic form is going to give us log base b of a to the p is equal to px. So we're almost there. My last step, I want to replace the x. So it's going to be log base b of a to the p is equal to p times log base b of a. And if you look at this, this is our power rule. So we're done.